If you're wondering how to remove your tap, refit your tap, or how to lubricate your tap parts, you're in the right place. To remove the tap assembly on a compact machine, first, simply empty the tank. Next, pull out the pin to release the handle. Then, push down on the spring to release the tap assembly. Next, apply about 2 cm of lubricant to the double lip piston and spread thoroughly. To replace the tap, place the spring on top and align the plastic spigot so that the flat side is facing outwards. Insert the complete tap assembly into the tap hole on the tank from the bottom. Then push the double lip piston until the white plastic spigot is far enough up inside. Place the handle into position and insert the pin to hold it in place. Thanks for watching. For more of our how-to guides, visit snowshock.com/support.